Hello and welcome to Sri Lankan Life Sciences Academy, where biology, agriculture, and food science meet. I am Irandika and I am thrilled to have you here for our second lesson. Let's dive right into our topic, the chemistry of water. Water is truly the molecule of life. But why is it so essential? Water's unique properties not only make it vital for living organisms but also enable countless biochemical reactions that sustain life on Earth. In this video, we'll explore the amazing chemistry of water, from its molecular structure to its vital role in biological processes. Life on our planet simply wouldn't exist without water. It makes up around 70% of the human body weight and is a critical component of all tissues. So, where does our body get its water from? Drinking about 60% of our daily intake, food around roughly 30%, metabolic water around 10% generated as a byproduct of cellular respiration. Water is essential not just for hydration but for maintaining cellular functions and metabolic activities. Water's role goes far beyond just hydration. It acts as a universal solvent, enabling biochemical reactions by dissolving solutes. It also helps regulate body temperature, transport nutrients and waste, and even serves as a major habitat for countless organisms. Did you know that water is also a vital reactant in photosynthesis? It's involved in almost every process that keeps life going. Molecular structure and dipole nature of water. The molecular formula of water is H2O, simple yet profound. The oxygen atom has a slight negative charge, while the hydrogen atoms are slightly positive. This makes water a polar molecule, meaning it has an uneven charge distribution. Due to its polarity, water molecules can form hydrogen bonds with each other, making them stick together strongly. Look at the diagram to see how the atoms are arranged and interact. Hydrogen bonding between water molecules. One of water's most fascinating features is its ability to form hydrogen bonds. Although each bond is weak on its own, the sheer number of these bonds creates a strong cohesive force. This is why water clumps together in droplets and shows surface tension. These hydrogen bonds also make water behave differently from most other liquids, leading to unique properties that support life. Properties of water. Water is a polar solvent, which means it can dissolve a wide range of substances. That's why almost all chemical reactions of life take place in an aqueous environment. Hydrophilic substances like salt, sugar, and amino acids dissolve easily. On the other hand, hydrophobic substances like lipids do not mix well with water. This difference is fundamental to the structure of cell membrane and biological functions. Water has an exceptional specific heat capacity, allowing it to absorb and release heat without dramatic changes in temperature. This means large bodies of water remain thermally stable, providing a consistent environment for aquatic life. An interesting fact about water is that it reaches maximum density at 4 centigrades and it cools further, it becomes less dense and floats as ice. This unique property protects aquatic life from freezing conditions and keep ecosystems stable. Thanks to hydrogen bonding, water molecules at the surface form a sort of skin that allows small organisms to walk on water. This surface tension is crucial in both the natural world and biological transport systems like moving water through plant vessels. Additionally, water's incompressibility as a liquid supports its role in maintaining cell structure and function. Together, these properties make water an irreplaceable medium for life. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of water. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more insightful lessons on biology, agriculture and food science. See you in the next video where you will dive deeper into the wonder of life sciences.